all I can say is he's coping. And, napakahirap din po ito para sa aming pamilya, and we're all coping. As again, we can't really say much because we also have to go to work.
Pero nakakakain at nakakatulog naman po siya. Kumusta po ang kondisyon po niya?
Well, it's mahirap po. And he's coping. So mahirap lang din po sa amin.
Yeah.
It's hard for me to also express how I really feel because it's a hard position to be in right now.
Yung concern niyo lang po na ililipat na siya sa general population, what are your concerns?
We just have to cope.
Kung kasi may concern kayo sa security niya, anong last na conversation niyo with the Senator? Does he feel safe pa rin ba dito sa New Quezon City Jail based from your last
Well,
conversation?
again, I said, we're all coping, he's coping, and that's all I can say.
Any message to the supporters na lang po of Senator Bong?
Well, I just want to say na maraming salamat sa inyong suporta sa aking ama, sa aking pamilya, sa mga may hirap na nagdadaanan namin ngayon. And I just want to say thank you.
Kong, thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Salamat, Kong.
Thank you.